In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to update the user account settings, including your name, phone number, email address, and payment details. Starting with FieldAgent Desktop, to make those changes, you'll click on the blue gear in the top right corner of FieldAgent Desktop. Click on Settings, and once you're there, here you can update your name, your telephone number, email address information. This information, when updated, will be required to sync with the cloud before everything fully is usable, especially with the email address at this point in time. Once those changes are made, just simply click on Save, and that's all there is to that. For FieldAgent Web, you'll click on the gear on the left-hand side of the screen. In here, there's a few more changes that we can make. Preferences in language. Here you can see that we have options for Russian, Portuguese, and Spanish. We also have the ability to change your unit of measure, whether it's US imperial or metric. Here we can update your account information. Again, this would be your name, telephone number, email address, that type of detail. The Manage Connections allows you to create a connection between My John Deere or Climate Corp. There'll be a separate video on how to do this. Notification preferences. If you're using active crop seasons inside of FieldAgent Web, these notifications will be automatically turned on. Those active crop seasons will be based on planting dates and harvest dates, and based on that information, it'll detail this information as far as notifications go. This too will be a separate video, and if you have additional questions in the meantime, please feel free to contact us at support. If you need to update your billing information, i.e. billing details, different credit card, that type of stuff, again, click on the edit button here. This will take you to a screen where that information is stored and allows for just you to update that information. Subscriptions. This is where you can manage your subscription. In addition, you can add additional users and manage their subscriptions. To add additional users to FieldAgent, simply click on the plus sign. It'll ask you for their contact details. At minimum, we need to know their name and their email address. The rest of the information is certainly optional. And then you'll select the type of subscription you would like them to have, whether it's a monthly billed pro license, an annual billed pro license, or the free viewer license. Once that's selected and clicked on Add, this will send the new user an invitation email inviting them to FieldAgent. Once they complete that process, they are now an active user in FieldAgent. If you have any additional questions about the user preferences in FieldAgent Desktop or in FieldAgent Web, please feel free to reach out to us at support@sentera.com. You can call us at 612-204-2000, or you're always welcome to go out to sentera.com and click on support for additional details.